Hey guys, welcome back to Hannah's Kitchen Corner. So today we're going to be making 3 different types of sorbets. To start off, we'll start off with blueberry sorbet. We're going to put 2 bananas in a blender. You can use 3 or 4. This is just for sweetening, so the more you use, the more sweet it's going to be. Alright, so next up is 2 cups frozen blueberries, 1 tablespoon maple syrup, and we're going to blend this together and we're done with the blueberry sorbet. Let's get into our second sorbet, which is mango sorbet. We're going to put in 2 bananas. Now before we keep on, I want you to like this video, hit the notification bell, comment down below, and subscribe if you have not yet. Okay, so now we can put in 2 cups frozen mango and we can blend this together, and we're done with the mango sorbet, and we're going to get into strawberry sorbet, and we're going to put in 2 bananas again. Then we're gonna add in 2 cups frozen strawberries, and we can blend this again until we have a nice smooth texture. And this is it for this guy's video. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to like, subscribe, comment down below, hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a nice day.